Parking spaces. This service will assist you in finding suitable parking spaces. Open your navigation, press the search icon, then select the parking icon and select parking space nearby. You can now see the nearby parking spaces. If further details are available, such as a number of available spaces, prices and opening hours, you can view them by pressing More. You can now call the displayed phone number, save the parking space, or start navigating to the selected parking. You can also search for parking spaces in your selected destination. Choose your desired destination. Then press the search icon again and select the parking icon and then parking space in your destination. Now you can see the parking spaces in the destination.